Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Learn ABC of B Pharmacy with Pooja Chavan. In this video, I will tell you about B Pharmacy first semester syllabus along with textbooks and reference books. So friends, let's start. For first year semester B Pharmacy, there are total 6 subjects. 1. Human Anatomy and Physiology 1, that is HAP 1. Second, Pharmaceutical Analysis. Third, Pharmaceutics 1. Fourth, Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry. Fifth, Communication Skills. Sixth, Remedial Mathematics or Biology. Okay, these are the 6 subjects which are there in first semester B Pharma. Let's see each individually. Okay. First is Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. Here students study about complete structure and function of human body and its organs. Anatomy is the study of the structure and relationship between body parts. Physiology means the study of the function of body parts and the body as a whole. For example, in this subject you will learn about cells, tissue, skin, blood, heart, peripheral nervous system, skeletal system. Okay. Next subject is pharmaceutical analysis. It is a branch of practical chemistry that involves a series of processes for identification, determination, quantification, and purification of a substance, separation of the components of a solution or mixture, or determination of structure of chemical compounds. Analysis means to analyze something. In pharmaceutical analysis, identification, determination, quantification of purification of drugs or chemical substance will be carried out. For example, titration. Okay, during whole semester you will have to perform titration. Okay, titrations on various like acid base, aqueous, precipitation, this all titrations you will have to perform, okay, in pharmaceutical analysis. Next subject is pharmaceutics 1. It deals with the process of turning a new chemical entity or old drugs into a medication to be used safely and effectively by patients. It is also called as the science of dosage form design. In this subject, that is pharmaceutics 1, you study about preparing, using and dispensing medicines. For example, in this subject you will study about dosage forms. Okay, like solid, semi-solid, liquids, these are the dosage forms. You will study in detail about these dosage forms. Next is you will study a pharmaceutical calculations, then prescription, what is prescription, different parts of prescription, dispensing, okay, posology. In this pharmaceutics 1, these all things you will study. Next is pharmaceutical organic chemistry. It deals with the study of both non-essential and essential elements, about their preparation, standards of purity, test for identification, limit tests to be performed for determining the quality and extent of purity, storage of different chemical compounds that do not involve a carbon-hydrogen bond. Inorganic compounds can be classified as acids, bases, salts and oxides. Friends, in this subject we study about synthesis and behavior of inorganic compounds. What are inorganic compounds? Compounds which do not contain carbon-hydrogen bond, that is CH bond. These compounds are called as inorganic compounds. Examples of inorganic compounds are acids, bases, salts and oxides. Okay, example, in pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, students will study about impurities, miscellaneous compounds, dental products, etc. Next subject is communication skills. This course will prepare the young pharmacy student to interact effectively with doctors, nurses, dentists, physiotherapists and other health workers. Communication skill. This subject helps students to improve their communication skills. helps students in interaction, like how to interact with doctors, nurses, or other health workers is being taught in this communication skills subject. Okay. For example, communicating effectively, that is both verbal as well as non-verbal, effectively managing the team as a team player, developing interview skills, developing leadership qualities and essentials. Okay. Next subject is remedial biology / mathematics. Let's see first about remedial biology. In this remedial biology, students will learn and understand the components of living world structure and functional system of plant and animal kingdom. In remedial biology, students will study about the detailed structure and function of plants and animals. Okay. Example, classification and salient features of 5 kingdoms of life. Then understanding the basic components of anatomy and physiology of plant. Understanding the basic components of anatomy and physiology of animal with special reference to human. Next is remedial mathematics. In remedial mathematics, you will study, like here, this is an introductory course in mathematics. This subject deals with the introduction to partial fraction, logarithm, matrices and determinant, analytical geometry, calculus, different equation. Okay. So in this there is like introduction to mathematics. Okay. And in this subject students will learn partial fraction, logarithm, calculus, etc. That's all friends. Okay, about pharmacy first semester syllabus. Now we'll see regarding textbook for first semester B Pharmacy. For Human Anatomy and Physiology 1 subject, you can refer textbook Human Anatomy and Physiology 1 by author Deepa S. Mandlik, Satish K. Mandlik. Next textbook which you can refer is Human Anatomy and Physiology 1 by author Swati V. Jogdant. Next subject is Pharmaceutical Analysis, and the textbooks are Handbook of Modern Pharmaceutical Analysis by author Satinder Ahuja. Second book is Pharmaceutical Analysis by author Dr. Pushpendra Kumar. For Pharmaceutics 1 subject, you can refer textbooks Pharmaceutics 1 by author Dr. A. Hazare and Dr. D. A. Bhagwat. Next textbook is Pharmaceutics 1 written by author Ashok K. Gupta. For Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry, textbooks which you can refer is Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry by author K. G. Bhotara. And second book is Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry written by author Dr. P. Deshpande, Dr. Vittal Chopade and S. M. Patil. These were the textbooks for first semester B Pharmacy. Now let's see reference book, okay, which you can refer for first semester B Pharmacy. For Human Anatomy and Physiology 1, reference books are Anatomy and Physiology in Health and Illness by author Kathleen J. W. Wilson, Churchill Livingstone. Next book is Human Physiology Volume 1 and 2 by author Dr. C. C. Chatterjee. Guys, these are very good books, okay? Each and every detail is mentioned in these books. So you can refer this reference book. It will help you. Next is Pharmaceutical Analysis subject. And the reference books are Textbook of Quantitative Inorganic Analysis by author A. I. Vogel. Next is Analytical Chemistry Principles written by author John H. Kennedy. For Pharmaceutics 1 subject, reference books are Dispensing for Pharmaceutical Students by author Carter S. J. Cooper and Guns. Next book is Theory and Practice of Industrial Pharmacy by author Lechman. Friends, these two books which I have mentioned here for pharmaceutics 1 are very nice books, okay? They give lot of detailed information regarding dispensing and other theory and practice of industrial pharmacy. So you get lot of information in these books. So do refer these books. For pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry, reference books are Inorganic Pharmaceutical Chemistry by author M.L. Shroff. Next book is Inorganic Pharmaceutical Chemistry written by author Anand N. Chatwal. Communication skills subject, you can refer books The Ace of Soft Skills, Attitude, Communication and Etiquette for Success written by author Gopal Swami Ramesh. Next is Organizational Behavior book written by author Stephen P. Robbins. For remedial biology mathematics, let's see books for remedial biology first. Reference books are a textbook of biology written by author Naidu and Murthy. Second, a manual for pharmaceutical biology practical by author S.B. Gokhale and C.K. Kokate. For remedial mathematics, reference books are first, Differential Calculus book by author Shanti Narayan. Second, Pharmaceutical Mathematics with Application to Pharmacy by author Panchesharappa Gowda D.H. This was all about reference books which you can refer for first semester B Pharmacy, friends. Okay, that's all, friends, for today. Hope you liked my today's video. Do comment and let me know. Also let me know regarding any particular topic related to B Pharmacy if you want me to make any video on. Do like, share and subscribe my channels, guys. Subscribing my channel will give you notification on my upcoming videos. And friends, don't forget to click bell icon. Guys, if you have not seen my previous video, then please do watch it. I will share the link below. Previous video was on brief knowledge about B Pharmacy degree. So guys, it will be helpful for you. And thank you, friends. Bye.